If your fabric collages need more ivory and cream neutrals, stay with me. This bundle gets more textured and more interesting with each piece I reveal. This bundle includes a cream colored linen with embroidery. It's a close up. And there is a little, it's a little see-through. You can see my hand behind it, but it's not too thin. Let me see if I can show you this way. You see my hand moving, so you can see it just a little bit. This is a 1950s era lace fabric. This is 100% cotton. Very unique design, unique pattern. Here's a close-up. Here's the back of it. This is a linen cotton blend. It's a heavier weight, and it's a coarser weave, basket weave. Same on front as it is in back. And this is a raw silk fabric. It's pretty lightweight, as you can see. There's a close-up of the, see the snubbiness right there, which is typical of linen. Okay, that's the back. And this is a tweed type of weave, but in a solid color. Show you the close-up. Okay, you can see the differentiation right there in the weave, kind of like you normally see in tweeds. This is the back. It's a knit back. Okay, it's a lightweight fabric. If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.